Hello guys, welcome to Parrot's Nurtured World. So welcome to our world of 5 Indian parrots. Have you been thinking for a while that why your parrots are quite quiet? Looking at others' parrot when you see them playing and very active, does it comes to your mind that why they are so quiet, standing or sitting at one position only, not playing at all? So in this video I am going to talk about the causes behind this issue and how can you resolve this. So stay tuned till the last. First of all, you should remember one thing, that parrots are very social birds. They always live in family, in groups. So first cause behind them being quite quiet is that it might be possible that you are having a single bird. So at least there should be a couple or 3 or 4 parrots together to make them feel like a family. Even though you are giving them special care, giving them so much of love, still they will take time to adjust in your family, more time in fact, rather than what it would have been if they would have been living in groups. Birds are basically meant to fly, isn't it? We are already doing wrong to them by keeping them as our pet. In a way, we are captivating them. So, first of all, we should remember, feel empathetic towards them, how comfortable we can make them in our home. Hello, Pig Pig. Hello. 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 Hello guys. Oh, there's a fight for sharpener. Okay, so back to our topic. So secondly, you have to understand that these birds are meant to either fly or do some work like making nests, rearing their babies, bringing food for them, finding food for themselves, biting, flying, enjoying their life to the fullest, isn't it? But we are in a way snatching all these freedoms from them. So they are in a way depressed. Now keeping them in cage, and that too without any group or mate, will make them even more depressed. They are very, very intelligent. Guys, all animals in this world have something to do. Now keeping them in a cage without doing anything, no work, is such a big punishment. And at this point of time when we are all suffering from COVID and being isolated, being in quarantine, we know what is the pain. At least we should understand this at this point of time. So give them some work. What work can a parrot do? Give them things to play, give them things to bite, variety of foods to eat, fruits where they can utilize their beak, they can utilize their time, get engaged in biting, chewing and playing with things. First of all, if it's not possible for you to keep them out of cage, then no problem, but give them different types of toys to play. They love to play. Trust me guys, they love to play. So guys, give them so much of affection, love, that you gain their trust. Once you gain their trust, they will start interacting with you, feel free, and will play along, be relaxed, and they will be comfortable. You will feel that. Now what are the things you will realize that they are under any kind of tension, depression, or they are relaxed? If they always remain upright straight without resting their neck, always in an attentive condition, they are quiet and watchful, that means they are suspicious of you, they are under certain depression. So you have to change your attitude, have patience. They don't trust you very easily. So these are some of the points that you need to understand why your parrot remains quiet. Please give them affection as your family member. They are not made to be in captive. So I think guys, I have helped you finding some of the solution and answer to your question why your parrots are quite quiet. Okay guys, in the next video, informative video, I'll be definitely sharing with you guys what all toys you can give them, what type of things you can utilize as their toys. I'll be bringing more such videos for you, more information along with their play mode, so that along with the entertainment you will gain certain knowledge about having your pets properly, keeping them in an empathetic manner. Till then, bye bye guys, take care.